Bro, what the heck?
To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio EAS-60 in Milwaukee. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Dude, we got another one.
Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, eastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northwestern thunderstorm capable of.
We got another tornado warning.
Arlington, or 6 miles east of Fremont, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball.
Yeah, we got another tornado warning.
This is a radar-indicated threat rotation.
Let's go.
Impact. Flying debris
Got another one.
to those caught without.
Why is it not showing? Oh.
Will be damaged or destroyed.
Oh, wait.
Damage to roofs,
Okay.
windows, and vehicles will
So it toned this tornado warning, and now it toned this one. Oh, I forgot. There's 2 tornado warnings.
Arlington
I totally forgot about that. I literally forgot about that, bro.
5 p.m.
We got another tornado
Around
warning.
1:10 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or
It's
an
up there.
interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating.
Bro, what is wrong with you, Omaha?
1:30 p.m. for the
Like, clearly, there's a lot going on.
Iowa and the following counties.
Bro, dude, what is happening?